Welcome back to the Mashful Works YouTube channel. It's been a while since my last video and it's good to be back here. For today's video, we're going to turn these beach villas into a beautiful render using D5 Render. So D5 Render version 3 was just released recently and the new features are really amazing. Basically, the new features we'll be using are the true displacement, ocean system, AI agents and volumetric clouds. Also, I want to say thank you to D5 Render for collaborating with me on this video. I have already prepared my model in Blender and it's ready to be exported. If you don't have the Sync add-on yet, it's pretty easy. You can search the Blender to D5 Sync add-on and then download it from the official web. Make sure to install the version that matches your Blender, then enable it on your Blender preferences. Once you have installed, just click Sync and that's it. Now D5 will open automatically. Now let's explore the new displacement features. This is the default displacement in D5. As you can see, the texture itself looks like it has some depth to it, while the edge of the mesh is actually flat. Now here's the awesome part. We now have a toggle for true displacement. Now look at that. The outline actually has real bumpy edge and it's a real mesh, just like displacement in Blender cycles. This is really awesome. But be wise with the numbers. Don't go too high as this will increase the load on your PC. Personally, I use the smallest number as possible with this one. Next, let's try the ocean feature. You can go to top panel and look for terrain, click it and choose ocean. Now a new ocean object appears on the left side panel. You can adjust things like height, wave scale and speed. But the important thing is make sure to add your Blender object to the coastline anchor. This will make D5 recognize your model face as the coast or beach. I already finished adding furniture and now I want to add plants, and I think I will discuss this with the AI agent inside D5. Go to this icon on top left corner. There are three major parts in the AI agent: Smart Planting, the Design Assistant Toolkit, and the D5 Bot. The Design Assistant Toolkit is the newest feature in D5 Render 3. As you can see, it can do various helpful things, but for now, I'm going to try the assets recommendation. I want the AI to recommend me the plan for a beach area. I also asked the AI for the tree for the beach area and I'm happy with the result it suggests. I think this is a helpful addition in D5. However, as you can see here, some of them are Pro assets. This is where D5 Pro really shines because you get access to the full library. If you are interested in getting D5 Pro, I have put my affiliate link in the description. If you decide to upgrade through that link, it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. So now I'm setting the lighting. Usually I use HDRI, but now I want to try Geosky because there's new volumetric clouds. Here we can select the presets and then adjust the slider to however we like. This feature for now works with Geosky and custom lighting. It doesn't support HDRI yet. and I think personally it looks good and natural. I really like the lighting using Geosky and Volumetric Clouds from before, but I want to try the AI scene match as well now. Let me click the AI agent again. Actually, before we change this lighting, we can save this whole lighting to Studio, so we can just apply this in the future for different projects. Now let's get back to AI agent. I'm going to click the AI scene match, and now a new text bar appears. I'm going to type the atmosphere or lighting I want here. Then we click enter and let the AI think for a moment. Once it's finished thinking, the AI will provide a reference image. I'm satisfied with the generated image atmosphere, so I'm going to click Apply Atmosphere. And now my scene is using the lighting similar to the AI generated image. It's so easy and the result is great. Now apply this lighting by updating the scene, and I'm going to apply this lighting to my whole clip and render it again. And that's it. I'm thinking about making a complete tutorial on setting up this scene inside D5 from start to finish. If you guys think that's a good idea, please drop a comment below. Also, let me know what you guys think about the result and these new features. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.